Welcome to this critical message about a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity with Master Affiliate Profits. If you're watching this video, the clock is ticking. This is your last chance to secure a lifetime membership before it's gone forever. Lifetime Master Affiliate Profits members earn an incredible 75% commissions for life. Imagine being part of a community where over 1,000 people have already seized this amazing offer. Depending on when you're tuning in, you might only have minutes to take action. Once Phase 3 launches, these lifetime accounts will vanish for good. Now is not the time to hesitate. This is a moment to secure your future. In just a moment, I'm going to unveil Dori O'Neill's exclusive $5,000 Master Affiliate Profits bonus package, so stay tuned. Now let's talk money. Real money, your recurring income advantage. The secret: while earning 75% commissions is extraordinary, it gets even better. With Tier 2 commissions at 25%, you have a powerful formula for creating recurring income. But that's not all the Master Affiliate Profits lifetime license provides. Have you heard about Frictionless Enrollment? This incredible feature invites anyone to join without barriers, making the initial step to success smoother than ever. Combine frictionless enrollment with a groundbreaking feature that can change your income landscape forever. The done-for-you, automated lead follow-up system, developed by renowned marketers John Thornhill and Omar Martin. Follow-up is the #1 failure point in affiliate marketing, and this system eliminates that hurdle. Imagine enrolling a free member. You can sit back and relax as this automated follow-up system engages with your lead professionally and efficiently, encouraging them to upgrade to the Master Affiliate Profits Platinum level membership. When they upgrade, you earn a 75% commission effortlessly without having to do any follow-up. As your new Platinum member starts enrolling free and paid members, the power of Tier 2 commissions kicks in. You'll earn those recurring 25% Tier 2 commissions as well. And guess what? The same 90-day automated follow-up system will work for them, generating income for your members while producing income for you as well. It's a win-win scenario, maximizing not just your efforts but the effectiveness of your entire team. As a lifetime member, you gain access to all the training and support within the platform, and crucially, you'll have that access for life. Dori O'Neill has crafted an array of valuable resources to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. Do you have questions? Call Dori. You deserve answers, he'll give them. Whether you have questions or need guidance, you'll find it all at your fingertips within this robust platform. Now, let's talk about Dori O'Neill's $5,000 plus bonus package. This rich set of tools includes the YouTube viral funnel, free advanced training, and ongoing support. You'll automatically join a vibrant support community that goes above and beyond what Master Affiliate Profits offers, ensuring you have the backing you need to thrive. Now, here's the hard truth. Once this offer is removed, it will not come back, it's gone forever. It could be just days, hours, or even minutes from the moment you're watching this video. You must act quickly if you want to secure your future and take advantage of this unprecedented opportunity. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Dori O'Neill directly. He's committed to supporting you and will personally answer any inquiries you might have. You can connect with Dori by visiting yesconnectwith.com/Dori. Before you go, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your questions in the comments. Your engagement helps us provide valuable content to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the detailed description video where Dori covers everything you need to know about the Master Affiliate Profits compensation plan. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Take that step today.